Hi, I'm looking to demo a video of OAuth consent flow for our application for Google OAuth verification for ZigDev project, which involves scopes related to calendar and Gmail. And with this video, I want to showcase how we are using that in functionality in our application. First, I will go to our application app.zig.ai and I would log into my user and choose my organization and log in via auth 0. Okay, now now I can connect my calendar first, and the way calendar will work is that I will connect my Google Calendar. For Google Calendar, we request scopes to connect with the calendar to view all the events in the calendar, view and edit events on all the calendar, see, download, edit, share, and permanently delete all access to Google Calendar. So once we do this and we finish the scope, now essentially my calendar is connected, and you can see all my meetings starts to show up in my today's meetings. When I go over here, I can see all of these meetings are on my Google Calendar, and the all of these meetings have with meeting link and external participants, and hence they show up in my uh, dashboard. Now, the next thing that I want to showcase now, so for each meeting, I can go and I can check meeting prep. I'm not going to do that right now, but all the past meetings, I can go and check all the recordings. So we read the events, we read the we read the events, we read the uh, details of the calendar event, and we record the meetings. Now let's move on to Google Gmail. And the way to connect Gmail is to go into the integrations page and here click connect. I could have used Google Calendar Connect also here. So for the scopes related to Gmail, gmail.send and gmail.compose, I'm gonna click here and connect, and this is the consent flow for Gmail. I am logged into my Gmail account. Says manage and send email drafts, read, compose, and send emails from your Google account, and I'll show in a bit how that is being used in our application. So when I go to this leads page, and I can, for the sake of this demo, I'm gonna create an empty list from this button over here. Let me use an existing list, but for some reason this is not working. All right. So as you see, my name is already added over here. This is my fellow. Uh, these two are my co-workers. I'm gonna attach a note for this person over there. Here, met with Rohit again at Impact Summit. He is looking still for email about Zig and what it does. Now, when I clicked it, this note got saved. So right now, nothing will happen for a couple of minutes, but eventually, Zig is going to draft an email over here. Let's wait for it. I will have to refresh the page. and you see a email has popped up because I said in the note is looking still for an email about Zig. So now an email is drafted, and what I can do over here, I can add Rohit at zig.ai for the email. Now we use gmail.compose to save the emails as draft. And if I go back to my Gmail and go to the drafts, I will see that an email draft for Rohit is already created and I can quickly send them. For the scope related to gmail.send, I can again come back here. Instead of instead of saving it as a draft, I can use send email, and this will actually send an email to Rohit using gmail dot send gmail.send scope. Hope that uh, hope that clears up the Google Auth consent flow and how we are using Google Scopes for the users in our application. Please let us know with any other questions that you have. Thank you.